What if I told you that aging isn't what you think it is? That deep inside your body right now, your cells are trying to make you younger. And all you need to do is feed them the right message. This isn't science fiction. It's the new science of cellular repair. And today, I'll show you how one simple food could change the way your body ages, starting today. Because aging isn't about growing old. It's about losing energy, losing repair. But what if we could bring that repair back? Most of us believe aging is inevitable, that no matter what we do, the body simply wears out. But the truth is far more exciting. Your body is built with a repair system inside every single cell, one that's constantly working to renew, rebuild, and refresh you. The reason we age is not because time passes. It's because those repair systems begin to slow down. Every heartbeat, every breath, every thought burns energy inside your cells. That energy comes from your mitochondria, tiny power plants that convert the food you eat into life itself. But as we grow older, these mitochondria start to weaken. They produce less energy and more waste. That waste damages cells. And over time, you feel it. Fatigue, brain fog, stiffness, slower recovery. You might look in the mirror and think, this is just aging. But really, it's your cells asking for help. And here's the amazing part. You can help them. The power of cellular renewal. Scientists have discovered something remarkable. Certain natural compounds can turn on your body's repair mode, literally telling your mitochondria to clean out old, broken parts and rebuild fresh ones. It's a process called mitophagy, your body's way of recycling old mitochondria so new ones can grow. And one of the most powerful triggers of this repair switch comes from something found in food. In Switzerland, researchers studied people who drank a compound made from pomegranates. Inside those pomegranates is a molecule that your gut turns into something called urolithin A. What it does is stunning. It wakes up old, tired mitochondria, helping your muscles work like they're years younger. In one clinical trial, older adults who took it every day for just 60 days showed better endurance, better strength. Their cells literally acted younger. No magic pills. No surgeries. Just the power of food triggering the body's natural design. The foods that rebuild you. So what are these foods? You don't have to live on lab formulas. The answers are in your kitchen. Pomegranates, walnuts, berries, green tea, avocados, and extra virgin olive oil all contain compounds that speak to your mitochondria. When you eat them consistently, you're not just fueling your body, you're teaching your cells how to heal. Think of it like giving your body new instructions. Every meal is a message. Stay strong. Stay young. Keep repairing. This isn't about diet trends or superfood hype. It's about understanding what your body has been trying to tell you all along. Feed me right, and I'll do the rest. Strength, energy, and the new science of longevity. Strength is not just about muscles. It's about independence. When your mitochondria work better, every cell in your body gains more energy. That means more stamina, clearer thinking, faster recovery, and deeper sleep. Studies now show that maintaining muscle strength through simple resistance training can activate the same longevity pathways as fasting or cold exposure. Because every time your muscles contract, they send repair signals to your entire body. So if you combine cell-repairing foods with movement and sleep, you're not just surviving aging. You're rewriting it. The emotional close. Maybe you've watched someone you love grow old, slowing down, losing the light in their eyes. Maybe you felt it in yourself, but remember this, your body hasn't given up on you. Right now, your cells are waiting for you to give them what they need to rebuild. It's never too late. Whether you're 30 or 70, you can reignite your body's repair systems. One choice, one bite, one day at a time. Aging is natural. But decline, that's optional. Feed your cells what they deserve. Move your body with purpose. Rest deeply, and you'll start to feel it. That quiet power returning. That spark of youth lighting up again from the inside out. Because the truth is, you don't grow old, you grow renewed. If this message inspired you, share it with someone who needs hope today. And remember, Your body isn't breaking down. It's waiting to rebuild.